Integrating Rocket Money subscription management into your financial routine can help you take control of your recurring payments and subscriptions. To get started, first sign up for a Rocket Money account and link your bank accounts and credit cards to the platform. This will allow Rocket Money to track your subscriptions and provide you with a comprehensive overview of your recurring payments. Once your accounts are linked, Rocket Money will begin to categorize your transactions and identify your subscriptions. You can then review the list of subscriptions and update any incorrect information. This is also a good opportunity to cancel any unwanted or unused subscriptions. To integrate Rocket Money into your financial routine, set up notifications to alert you when a subscription is due for renewal. You can also use Rocket Money to negotiate lower rates on your subscriptions, such as your cable or internet bill. The platform will work with the service provider to secure a better rate, saving you money without requiring any effort from you. In addition to managing your subscriptions, Rocket Money also provides tools to help you budget and track your expenses. You can use the platform to set financial goals and receive personalized recommendations for reducing your spending. By following these steps and using Rocket Money to manage your subscriptions, you can simplify your financial life and save money. It is also important to regularly review and update your subscription list to ensure it remains accurate. This will help you avoid unwanted charges and make sure you are only paying for the services you use. By taking control of your subscriptions and using Rocket Money to manage them, you can reduce your expenses and achieve your financial goals.